Host. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it can help you create amazing YouTube short videos. AI has revolutionized content creation, and we've compiled a list of the top 5 AI tools that can take your videos to the next level. So, let's get started. 1. AI-powered video editing tool. Host. First up, we have an AI-powered video editing tool. This fantastic tool uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your footage and automatically create engaging, snappy YouTube short videos. It can identify the most exciting moments, add transitions, and even recommend suitable music to set the right mood for your content. With this AI tool, you'll save hours of editing time, and your viewers will be hooked from the first second. 2. AI-generated video titles and thumbnails. Host. The second AI tool on our list is perfect for optimizing your YouTube video titles and thumbnails. It uses natural language processing to analyze your video's content and audience preferences, suggesting attention-grabbing titles and eye-catching thumbnails that are more likely to attract clicks. Trust me, this tool is a game-changer for increasing your video's discoverability and engagement. 3. Enhanced Video Analytics. Host. Next up, we have Enhanced Video Analytics. This tool provides valuable insights into your audience's behavior, such as which parts of your short videos are most engaging, viewer demographics, and retention rates. With this information, you can tailor your content to suit your audience's preferences, ensuring that you create more captivating videos that keep viewers coming back for more. 4. AI-driven content recommendations. Host. Number 4 on our list is an AI-driven content recommendation platform. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze your YouTube channel's data and recommends video topics and content ideas based on trending topics and your audience's interests. Say goodbye to creative block. This AI tool will keep your content fresh and relevant, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve. 5. AI-based video captioning and translation. Host. Last but not least, we have an AI-based video captioning and translation tool. This amazing tool automatically generates accurate captions for your short videos, making them more accessible to a broader audience. Additionally, it can translate your captions into multiple languages, enabling you to reach viewers worldwide and expand your channel's global reach. Inclusivity and international appeal, that's the power of it. Host. There you have it, our top 5 AI tools for YouTube short videos. Incorporating these AI tools into your content creation process will not only save you time but also elevate the quality and appeal of your videos. Embrace the power of artificial intelligence, and watch your YouTube channel flourish like never before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, keep creating and innovating. See you soon.